So in today's video, we have a mail time episode. In this mail time, we're going to be unboxing 4 different sneakers. Well, I mean, unboxing is a loose term. I'm going to show you guys what I mean by 4 sneakers though. It's a pretty cool thing that I just found out, and I think you guys should all take advantage of it. Basically a life hack of something that every sneakerhead needs, I feel like, just because it's so convenient. And I know a lot of sneakerheads have this exact same problem as me. So if you guys are interested in this quadruple kind of unboxing, then stay tuned. Mail time is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we are talking about life hacks, sneakerhead life hacks to be exact. And I guess this is targeting more resellers, but honestly, it's just for sneakerheads in general as well. So this is usually what your room looks like when you guys are sneakerheads, just like a shelf full of sneakers, man. Boxes and boxes of sneakers. And I feel like that's a pretty big problem, man. Like, space is limited usually in your house, you know, especially like in my house. I don't have much space to put in a whole bunch of sneakers and stuff. And I've even heard people have gone so far as to like get storage units for their sneakers, you know, like it's just you can't have any place to store them, so you have to rent out an actual storage unit. And depending on the size, it can add up. It could be like hundreds of dollars just for like a space, you know, where you can put shoes, which is insane. So that kind of brings up a question, like what is the best way to go about like storing sneakers? So one thing that I found that is really dope is the GOAT storage system. GOAT app is not only the best app that allows you to buy new and used sneakers, it also has a storage system on there as well. So basically what I did is I went over here, you guys can see it on screen. I opened up the app, went and bought a pair of Yeezy Butters that they were selling for retail. It was a crazy thing. They had like a promo, which is why it's important for you guys to download the app right now, because they do send you like messages and stuff saying, okay, we have like this retail deal going today for Yeezy Butters, which that's insane, guys. It was 220 bucks, $220 retail. So I copped one of those shoes and I put it into GOAT storage. And the thing with GOAT storage is that it's completely free. So you can store your shoes at GOAT facilities for free. That is not a lie. This is exactly why you guys need to download it right now. It's because it's free. Like, that's awesome. So you guys can put it into GOAT storage, and if you guys want to sell it, then you can sell it directly on the app still, and you can make whatever profit you want off of the shoe. And if you guys do want to have your shoes actually sent to you, it's super easy too, because I think for me, I'm not exactly sure where you guys live, but it costs $15 to ship. So what would happen is that you just go to GOAT storage and you actually send it back to yourself for $15. So it's like nothing changed, you know, it's not like they charge you for the storage and then ship. It's like literally just, you can store it there, and when you're ready to ship it out. So that's what I did, and I think it's very cool. It's a great idea, man, because you guys saw like my shelf and stuff over here. It can get kind of crowded really fast. And if I see steals and deals on GOAT, I don't oftentimes have like the capacity to just keep putting them over here until, you know, maybe they rise in value, or until I want to wear it. You know, my collection only has so much space, so I can keep it there, and then when I'm ready to have it in my collection, because I can sell another pair of shoes on GOAT, I ship it out to me, and that's that. I think it's just a great like free life hack for you guys. It's not something that you have to use, but it's just another option for you guys, and GOAT provides that option. So I think that's a really cool thing. So that's what I meant by having 4 unboxings. Basically, it was a Yeezy Butter, which not very hyped, but it is in GOAT storage, safe and sound, and I can get that over here whenever I want. Okay, so we're gonna be opening up the rest of these 3 shoes, and you guys are gonna be super impressed with what we got. The steals and deals on GOAT app that I find on the used section is insane. All of these shoes are used. I know it sounds weird for some of you guys, like you guys can't get past the fact that somebody else wore the shoe before you, but when you guys see the difference in price from the new versus the used and how much you guys actually save, I honestly feel like it's the best way to go. So let's get into it. So the first box that we have is a Nike Jordan 1 box. Let's see what we got. It is in a size 11. GOAT authentication card, so you know it's legit. And the first shoe that we have is a pair of Jordan 1 Bread Toes. One of my favorite sneakers, and the reason why I keep looking at Jordan 1 Bread Toes is because I think the value of these is only going to keep going up over time, guys. So it's important to cop pairs now before they turn into like Jordan 1 SBBs, and then you can't get them unless you spend like 600 bucks. So that's why I've been copying and like hoarding, and you know, putting a whole bunch on ice over here, which I should actually think about putting into GOAT storage. Anyway, you guys can check out the shoe over here. This is what I mean about buying used sneakers, guys. Like, look at the quality of this sneaker. There is basically no markings on this shoe at all. Bottom's obviously dirtied up, but There's like no toe box creasing really. There's nothing crazy about this shoe. And the price that I got this for was legitimately insane. I copped this shoe for $240 used, barely used, 240 bucks, when these things are going for $370 new. So that's a savings of over $100. And again, the difference is very, very minimal. It's like buying a new car, you know, when you buy a new car, you roll it off the lot and it depreciates in value like tenfold, but it's still basically the same car. That's exactly how I feel about these sneakers. So that's why this one is a freaking steal in my mind. I don't know. I think it's cool. Another one for the collection. I think you guys should honestly take that tip and take advantage of it, man. Like, buying used is the way to go. Let me show you some more examples though. So shoe number 2, not a Jordan box. We got a Nike SB box in here. And so this Nike SB is a size 10.5, pink box edition. And we have a pair of goat carts, so you know it's legit. We have a very, very, very clean pair of Panda Pigeon Dunks. This shoe is not dead stock, but if I didn't tell you that, would you guys even know that it's not dead stock? Like, there is some slight toe box creasing here, I guess, but other than that, there's nothing on here. Even the bottoms, when you guys check that out, it is like barely worn at all, guys. Like, you can see that over here. So another very clean pair of shoes that I found on the used section. And for this one, I spent less than $200. I spent $195 on this sneaker, when it's going for I think like $270 right now. So that one isn't as big as the bread toe difference, but I honestly feel like the Panda Pigeons are one of those SBs that are going to continue to rise in value just because it's very, very nice of a shoe. So this is now my 3rd pair that I have, and I just honestly feel like this is one of the best sneakers that released like in a long time for SBs. So that's 2. I think it's a savings of like 200 something bucks on shoes already, which is really good. But let's open up this last one over here. Another Jordan 1 box. You guys already know me, man. A lot of Jordan 1s in here. And what do we have here? We have a pair of the Jordan 1 origin stories. So you guys saw me open one of these on a recent video, but this one is actually a worn pair. And this one, seeing it in hand, is a little bit more worn than I would have liked. You guys can check it out over here. It does still hold its shape really, really good. Leather is not super worn down. But I don't know if you guys can see it over here. I guess when you wear these things enough, like those little like Spider-Man like dot things that are on here, like they start to like pull up. So you can see there's a little bit of messed up dots over here. But other than that, slight toe box creasing, nothing crazy on the shoe. Bottoms, slightly dirty, not too bad. With a light cleaning, these things are basically gonna go back to being new, and the difference you save is insane on these as well. I bought these things for 235 bucks when they're reselling dead stock for 360. So that's over $100 in saving again. This isn't as clean as the bread toe, but it's one of those ones where I feel like if you just clean it up and put in a little bit of your own effort, you know, it will go back to being like worth it. So that is why I buy used sneakers on GOAT, man. It's just really, really good because you guys can see I saved over $300 of what I would be paying if I bought them all new. And I think that's a huge savings, 300 bucks, that's another shoe. So I'm just trying to show you guys options on how to save money and how to buy sneakers and how to build a collection by being frugal, by being smart, and by kind of like biting the bullet and wearing worn sneakers. Like, I know it's not for everybody, but at the same time, like if you guys are trying to save money or you guys come from like a place where you don't have a lot of money, then I think this is the best way to go. And I'm just trying to share that with you guys because I'm from that same place, man. Money is tight over here. I got student loans to pay. I got my rent to pay. I got dogs to take care of. It adds up. And so I don't have money to spend on dead stock shoes all the time. But it's great that GOAT app allows me to buy used sneakers, which look basically brand new. Somebody wore it once. I'll take it if I can save 100 bucks on it. Anyway, that is it for this unboxing. That is it for this mail time video. And I hope you guys go to the description right now and download GOAT app. Like I showed you guys GOAT storage, very, very intricate and very cool system. And I honestly feel like it's gonna be revolutionary, man. I'm gonna be putting a lot of shoes into storage just because it's supposed to free up so much space for me. I hope you guys are able to close down like your little storage units and stuff so that you can start saving more money as well. It's free, so just add yourself another option by downloading GOAT app and having that availability in case you need it. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button down below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys have not already. And if you guys want, do not forget to hit that join button and join the channel members. Channel members have been super sick, man. I love all of you guys in the channel membership. I'm so happy that we're building our community over there, and I'm so stoked that I'm able to give back to you guys as much as I can. And we're gonna keep bringing it with the secret drops. Don't tell the non-members about the secret drops. It's the best kept secret, honestly, on this channel. So just stay tuned for more secret drops, channel members. And if you guys haven't, be sure to hit join so you guys can find out what I'm talking about. Anyway, until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots!